Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. We are here for another development stream where we build games. We build games, believe it or not. We build the games. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where am I? Wait. I'm here. I think I'm... Ah! There it is. Hello. The volume is too high, huh? The volume is super high. It's the 2nd of May, and as usual, as it happens, we are here to make more of Plane Shift. To build more, to develop more, to create more. Very good, very good. Let me see by any chance Tua, because Tua said that he was going to work on something. Let me see if he did something already, but I don't think he would be so quick. I think he would probably, because Tua said he wanted to work on a few things, so I'm just checking if maybe checked in something or not. No, it didn't. Okay. Hello, developer. The legend of making MMO, huh? That's a bit too much, huh? That's a bit... I have to say, even if it's nice, but it's a bit much. But okay, thank you. I would say. So, what do we want to do? Do we want to make a list of all the levels that we already checked, so that we have kind of a checklist, or no? Well, I think it would be good, because in theory we need to open up all the maps and relight all the maps, because we changed the foliage to movable on all the maps. So I will have to... Okay, let me do this. It will be painful, boys. Be ready. It will be painful. When did the original Plane Shift came out again, the second one? You can go to Wikipedia. You can say Plane Shift, you know, Plane Shift Wikipedia. And they know better than me. You know? No, the 2D one is not documented. The 2D one is not documented. No one knows about it except you and me and a few other people. But yes, this one is 2nd of May. Wow, 2nd of May! Insane! 2nd of May! I cannot believe it! 2nd of May! Oh my god! It's our 20-year anniversary today! Can you believe it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Seriously? Hello, Razzabazzer. Let me do one thing. Archive, web archive, right? Let me do one thing. Web archive, web archive, web archive. Planeshift.it. Planeshift.it. 2002, because 2001, 2002, right? 2002, 2nd of May. We don't have a 2nd of May, but we have a 27 anyway. We have a page of the 27th of May 2022 on Web Archive. And we are gonna see it right now. Believe it or not. Everything stays on the internet, you know? I think the Wayback Machine is like trying to go way back, but way back, but it cannot do it. Please, please, Wayback Machine, you can do it. Please. I know it's very old. I know. It didn't do it. It GG'd out. He said no. Okay, let's go the 4th of June. Maybe the 4th of June. How this thing works? Ah no, I need to click on this maybe. Ah, wait. I had to click on that. Oh, fuck. No, Flash. Ah, but there is skip intro. There is skip intro. So we can actually skip intro. main_01.html. No, it's not working. No, shit. Why I did this stupid thing? No. It's GG? We cannot see it? No. We cannot see it, bro. We cannot see it. Unbelievable. Because there was a freaking flash. No, that's super bad. This is super bad. No, we cannot see it. Because there was a check. Probably there was a check, you know, there was a check for flash, or there was a check for No, that's super bad. Main01.html. Main01.html. Do you think I still have it and I can see the other pages and try the other pages? But I don't think if they have them though. Let me try a main01 here, okay? I still have it. I still have it, bro. I still have main01.html, so we can still see what it's doing, you know? What is doing? Navigation, download, content, index. It should go in index.html. Index.html, but it's not going there. Let me try index.html. Nah. Fuck. No. Well, we can see it on my disk, but it's a bit of a pity though, because I wanted to see it. Because this one will not be the one, you know? This one will not be... This one will not be the one. Anyway, I have my news 2001, so, you know, I can open it up. I have it. I mean, we don't have it on the Wayback Machine because it's broken, but I have it on my PC. So, this was the page in theory should show up, right? Let me see if I search news 2002 on Wayback Machine. Wait, Wayback Machine, Planeshift IT, Planeshift IT. No, but for sure he doesn't have it because this was done a bit after. So, but yeah, the problem is that the page is fucked. No, News 2002 doesn't have it. Ah, wait. There is a 2016 version. Okay, who cares? I can load it from my PC. So from my PC, he was saying 2002-15, 2002, 2002-06, 2002-05, 2002-04. The tech demo is now available for download. Yes, it was the 2nd of May. It actually was the 2nd of May, boys. It was the 2nd of May. It was the 2nd of May. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was the 2nd of May. 20th anniversary. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I didn't know it. Now I know. I didn't know. I didn't know. Now I know. I'm searching. We have a crown. That's what we have. We have a crown for the 20th anniversary. Let me see. Let me see how it looks. It looks a bit small. Can make it bigger. And I can put it down. No. Down. Is the Z? No, the Z is not the Z. Ah, the king of the 20th anniversary. Ah, the king. I'm the king of the world. Ah. Perfect. You can also change the colors, huh? What do you mean, changing the color? Like, you can have the gem of a different color? Yes, you can have the gem of a different color. Wow. That's insane. You can have the James Blue. Can I have all the James Blue? Wow. Wow. Very nice. Very nice. What is the other color? There is also a purple somewhere. Ah, it's this super small one. It's the super small thingy at the top. Save. You're about to exit. Do you want to save? Yes, I want to save. Ah, the king. Good thing that you asked. Yes, you asked exactly the right time. Oh my god, I need to do a small announcement or something. Oh my god, I didn't really realize. I didn't realize. I will send an everyone. Hi all. I realized today is our 20-year anniversary since the first plane shift. Well, since the first plane shift 3D, because the 2D. Since the first plane shift 3D release. It was released the 2nd of May 2002. Joy! Send it. Wow. Wow, today's our 20-year anniversary. Holy shit. Okay, insane, 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 insane. Really insane. What is that? Oh my god, 20 years. Yeah, someone is saying on Discord. Oh my god, 20 years. Yes, but it's certified. I certified the 2nd of May. 2nd of May, real date. Certified by me. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Okay, can we work on something? We should work on something, boys, because we already wasted some time, Okay, so yes, I wanted to say that I think a good idea would be to list all the maps that we have relit and the one that we didn't, and make a list, right? So let's say that if I go here, yes, no. No. Two-step verification, eh? Okay. Okay, two-step verification. Done. Easy. Easy done, two-step verification. Plancher is in the 3rd year of university. Yes, exactly. How do I increase the font of this thing? Okay, like this. So if we go file new, right? And we just have a temp, let's call it temp relight notes. So the point is that we need to go in our Unreal directory. Wow, 20 year boys, 20 years. 20-year anniversary. 20-year anniversary! 20 anniversary long video, huh? I think we can do, release 0719 anniversary edition. The anniversary edition. The anniversary addiction. The anniversary addiction, boys. Okay. Sorry, I'm distracted by the messages, but these are all our maps. And so the idea is that if we go here and then 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 we copy all of this. Oh my god, I'm not there. Please copy. Okay, we copy this. And then we go here. Okay. And then we say relit, yes or no. So at the moment, what I know is that I have relit Black Flame. So this one is a yes. I have relit the cave, but unfortunately it is partial because I didn't do the full job. So maybe it is what we need to fix. That is probably the first one that we can work on. I did the Death Realm. I did the Draken Plane. I did Oja. I did Podium. And pretty much that's it. All the others needs to be done. GG! But you know, the empty maps, I don't really care. I care more about the lights in Gog, for example. And the guild houses. And Homestead. And Hydla. And the lava cave. Okay, maybe we can finish the caves. I don't know. Hydla is partial because I did a piece, but now seems that Tua wants to do some changes, so I will have to relight everything after his changes. Okay, so but it's fine. Quinterion I didn't do. It should be fairly easy actually. Quinterion. I think the most complex one could be the lava cave. The first map we made, I think is the Plaza in the Lux Temple. It's the same one, you can walk on it today. I can check. Two days older than WoW. Yes. No, we had a 2D version before. Allora, Zarbazar. Do you use Sketchfab for assets? No. I think I'm using... There are some sites, some websites that I have here under free resources. You know, I have like Turbo Squid that sometimes has free 3D models and free3d.com. These are the ones that sometimes have really fully royalty free. So Turbo Squid and Free 3D. These are the two that I use, but you have to be very careful in checking their license because every model is different. Every model is different. Okay, let's finish the caves. Fuck, the caves is a super long one, huh? But I think we have another choice. Also have to change the music. Wait, I need to change the music. Otherwise we will listen to plane shift music forever. Forever! Okay. I don't remember crystal collecting. Okay. No war content maps. Wow, our 20-year anniversary, boys. That's insane. That's insane. That's insane! That's absolutely insane. Incredible, incredible, incredible. Okay, so the point is that no, actually caves we're elite already. The only problem is to know so this one is cave 02. You see, because there are still some fuck up. For example, this one. What is this thing? Ah, this is a mechanism. This in theory is a mechanism. Yes, it is. This one in theory is a mechanism, but I think it's not positioned properly. You see this kind of mechanism there? The problem is that this one needs to be redone to actually work the way it should. I did it so long time ago that I don't remember how this thing works. I have zero idea. I have zero idea. Someone knows how it works, this mechanism in the old game? Is in cave 2, which is cave 2 is cave 2 is BD Road cave. Is the cave on BD Road? Is there going to be a party? I mean, we could, but I didn't. I just learned it now, you know. So, but potentially, BD Road Cave 2. I was working in the old client, boys. I know there is a mechanism, but I don't know how it works. There are so many things in this game that I cannot remember, and also there are things that I never checked in super long time. So teleport me map. BD Road 02 cave or what? No. The sector probably is not called BD Road 02 cave. BD Road cave 02. BD Road cave 02 maybe. Yes, BD Road cave 02 kind of works. Okay. So there is a singing stone somewhere here. Holy shit. Holy moly. Why so dark? I think I'm in a place where I should not be. I think I'm in a place where I should not be. What the fuck is this place? Who created this place? I don't remember this place. What the fuck? Who created this place? I mean, definitely this is not. This is kind of an island in the cave. Anyway. This should be the end on the other side, so in theory is in front of me. I found it. It's there. You are in the depths room? Yeah, I think so. I don't know what is that. Ah, okay, so the mechanism was hidden behind this thing to be tricky, you know? Tricky. Okay, which is good. I think we can do the same trick. But then what happens here? I have no idea. So you can look at it. Some mechanics piece seems to be missing. Oh wow, so you need to have a piece to actually activate it? Holy fuck, what is this? I actually found the sequence immediately. Wow, so smart. What happened? Ah, it moved. There is a passage behind. And there is a chest. Very nice. Holy fuck, they're attacking me. Relax. Okay, relax. I'm your creator. I'm your creator, relax. I just want to check this chest, okay? Reinforced chest. Ancient skull, ancient ash brave. Yes, there is a consumable. Okay, fine. Yeah, the problem is that it was a bit of a puzzle, you know, so to actually open and close this thing. But then when you open it, then what happens? It stay open forever or it resets after some time? It seems that when it's open, it's open. I don't remember if we made it reset. Really? So I continue to go in that direction forever. That was probably a limitation, huh? like it can never go back. It can never go back. I think it can never go back. There is no way. It's probably only client side though. I think it's only client side. I think if I disconnect... Wait. Let me disconnect in a safe place, like here. I think if I disconnect and I connect again, it will be closed. Because I think that at that time, you know, it was only a client-side client-side thingy. See you, Razzar Bazzar. Yeah, you see? It's closed again. So that thing is only a client-side mechanism, right? It's only a client-side mechanism. And... And it's just a very simple puzzle. So you just need to put the first and the last, you know? Whatever other position, you see, whatever other position is it's not doing anything. And for another player, it will not open up, right? For another player, it will not open up. Okay, so that's a good thing to know. Now the problem is, how do we want to do this in Unreal? Because in Unreal we have significant more capabilities than this, but unfortunately we don't have the minigame option. I don't understand why. Yeah, because it's the distance from the start. Yeah. We don't have this mini game option in Unreal, right? We don't have this puzzle possibility yet. But we have the possibility to have this guy, you know, to have this rock actually slide, right? That we can do. I mean, if you put this guy into, if you put this rock into, so by the way, this one is completely mispositioned because in theory it should have been something like this, and the light should be something like, I don't know, here. And there should be just enough space, you know, to see the mechanism that is there. And now the question is basically that one becomes like a lever, right? This one becomes a lever, and the only problem is there is not enough light to see it, which is a bit annoying. Which is kind of annoying because this light is or I put the light at the top or I put the light at the back. But if I put it at the back, it's too easy, you know. I mean, if you see a cavern like this, obviously you will go there. And by the way, it's not even lighting that. So maybe we use two lights. We use one light. We put like one light there. And then we put another light, you know, hidden here, but with very small radius, like nothing basically, but just to highlight that thingy, right? I think is what we can do. I think I need to go larger but less bright, you know? Yes, like something like this. So you can see it, but it's not burning your eyes, right? Now the problem is that we need to transform this object into something completely different. So we need to transform this object into an interactable. And we need to split, I think we need to split the mechanism. We need to split the mechanism from the, or not. Well, no, we can have all together actually. It can be one piece actually. It can be one piece. If I make the whole piece an interactable, when you right click on it, it will move together with the, yeah. Yes, exactly. Okay, so let's create it so that we have it. So I think we can go, or we go under blueprints, caves, and we create a new interactable. So I need to derive from, I need a new blueprint class derived from interactable sliding object, right? There is also interactable gate, but interactable gate I think is has two I think he has two doors. Cave blocking passage, something like that. cave blocking mechanism or cave blocking mechanism. I don't know, something like that. Ah, but there is a problem. If I do it as a single object, you will be able to right click also on the big wall, you know? No, it's not good. We need two objects then. We need a cave mechanism, which is actually not a sliding object, it's just an interactable. And then we need the cave door. Yes. I think we need two objects for that reason. So so let's say we need a cave door. Let's call it door anyway. Cave door mechanism. Okay, cave door mechanism and no cave. Wait. Cave sliding door. Okay, cave sliding door. Cave sliding door is the big piece, but I need to split them, so I don't know where this thing is coming from, but we need to split them. Cave part mechanism. Cave part mechanism is this guy, which is coming from cave parts, so it's under caves. So it's under caves. Wait. Too many directories as usual. Fuck. Too many directories. Caves, yes. So caves, we just need to be sure that we have the right by the way, cave crystals, I use them, so I need to add it to the thingy. And cave parts is the one I think that we changed, huh? Hello, Pyak Nashin, have your majesty. Today we have a king crown, because today is our 20 years anniversary, believe it or not. I just discovered it myself a few minutes ago. I was not remembering the first date of release, but the first date of release was actually the 2nd of May 2002. Can you believe it? Can you believe this, boys? That's insane. That is absolutely insane. By the way, the mechanism is on both sides. Yes. The mechanism is on both sides. So I think we need to split it, basically. So I need this thing to be split and to be a separate object. And this one becomes mechanism, I don't know, 03 or whatever. And I need an origin to geometry. And I need a 000, right? And I need to export this guy. And then we have to do the same. Well, this guy is the same as the other, so we would just, this is just a copy, you know. So I think here we can just delete the faces and GG. Exactly. And so now we have these two pieces. We have this piece and this piece. And this piece we will export it as a cave door mechanism, and this one we will export it as cave door. Okay, Okay, now back in Unreal. Oh my god, congratulations. Yeah, it's insane, huh? It's absolutely insane. Oh my god. That's insane, it's insane. I was not expecting it. I was not expecting it, but a guy just came online and said something like hey, when was the first release? And so I went to the Wikipedia, you know, to search for it, and it was 2nd of May, and I said, oh my god, it's today. I said, today is 2nd of May. And then I checked the year, it was 2002. I said, oh my god, it was 20 years ago. That's incredible. Yeah, that's absolutely incredible. It's incredible. I mean, it brings a smile to my face for sure. I mean, it's insane if you think about it. It's insane. I mean, there has been some pauses, okay? So it's not that I've been always working on Plane Shift, you know? But there's been some pauses of some years for sure. But the game has always been on, you know? The freaking server never stopped. The server never stopped. It stopped maybe for, I don't know, 1 hour, 2 hours. Maybe we had to stop for 1 day, one time. Is possible. But basically it was always on. Always on. Different servers, obviously, because we migrated multiple times between different providers during the years. But, you know, why this mechanism has this weird color? Is it normal? Should we just go metal 01 and GG? Metal 1? No, what is metal? Wait. Why is not showing up? Yes, exactly. Should we go metal? Wow, that is nice like that. It looks a bit weird, but it's nice. Should we just go metal and have the mechanism like that? Yes, I think we should. Hello, Constrabos. Hi, I just discovered that today, exactly today, is our 20-year anniversary. 20 years! The 2nd of May 2002. The first version of the 3D version of Plane Shift, because before that there was a 2D version, but the 3D version is do I have a be right back text? I can use this one maybe. Let me put a 20-year anniversary somewhere. 20 years anniversary. Yeah, the problem is that it's not very readable. It's not very readable because it doesn't have a background, I guess. Background color. I can. No, I can do it black. Wait. I'm messing up, huh? I'm messing up. Okay, I did it. I added a 20-year anniversary at the top. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god, 20 years. 20 years, boys, 20 years. You joined in 2015. You joined super late. 2015 is like yesterday. But okay. 2015. For us 2015 is like yesterday. Okay, so we have this thing. We have this thing. And we have that thing. Okay, so let me create an easy sliding door. Yes, sliding door. Yes, sliding door. And in the sliding door, we can also put a sound, by the way. We have the sound. We have the stone drag, no? Stone drag long. This one is perfect. This one is perfect. Direction. So we need to change the mesh. And we need a cave door. No, cave door. Cave door. Oh my god, all of these are named cave door. Insane. Okay. No, it's not this one. What is the name of the thingy? It's called Cave Parts Mac 02. Okay. Cave Mac 02. Okay, this one. Perfect. Perfect. Wow. It's kind of big and broken. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so this one is something that you can activate. Okay, but we want to activate actually the mechanism. We don't want to activate cave door mechanism. So we create another one, another blueprint that we derive from interactable actor. And in this case, I think we can go with interactable actor, because I don't think we want this thing to move, no? Well, I mean, we would like this thing to have a state, but I think it's fine. So this one will be cave door mechanism. Okay. And but if I derive from PS interactable actor, doesn't even have a mesh. Wow. Really? It does not even have a mesh. Okay. I was expecting it to have at least a mesh. So by default doesn't have a mesh. Okay, I can add a mesh. Let me just check one thing. Interactable. If I search interactable level 1, right? Like this one, for example. Interactable level 1, right? Is what? And also, what is the difference with interactable gate? Interactable gate, no, it's just the fact that it's sliding up, I think. Interactable lever though is a lot of stuff here. I think I need to duplicate interactable lever A. I think it's the simplest because he already has... Well, I don't really need this thing to... Yeah. This thing to actually move. So probably I can just add a mechanism and... I can probably just add a mesh. Let me think about it, but I think I can just add a static mesh, and in my static mesh I can just put my cave mechanism something, and now I have my sound toggle that in theory we want this thing. Okay, so yeah, I think it's okay. I think it's okay like this. We don't need any more. Now we will have to expand in the future our possibilities, okay? Because at the moment our possibilities are a bit too little, but I think we will improve these possibilities in the future, okay? So we will have a cave door mechanism, right? Which is sitting here, right? It's not very visible, I would say, but it's okay. I think it's better if it's not very visible because it's more sneaky. It's more sneaky. The only thing is that it's not very, because this wall is a bit weird. But okay. Okay, let's say that we have one there, and then we should have one on the other side, though, because otherwise, you know, how can you open it? So there should be one here, and there should be another one, you know, here. And both of them should activate the other guy. I mean, the middle door. So the middle door needs to go away. This thing needs to disappear. And sorry, where are we? We are in cave 2, huh? We said we are in cave 2. Yes, we are in cave 2. So these two mechanisms actually need to go under cave 2. Okay, good. And now I need this cave sliding door that we will put exactly in the middle. Right? And so that this is actually closed. Right? So that the whole thing looks closed, hopefully. Can he close everything or no? See if there is a little space at the bottom. Can make it a bit bigger than that. Can make it, can scale it 1.1 maybe. Maybe it would be enough. Yes, it is enough. So we do it like this, okay. I don't know why it needs to be so big to cover everything, but I think it's just the sides of the... Okay. So, now this interactables should have disable interaction. Okay, so this one you cannot interact. So I'm clicking on disable direct interaction, right? I'm setting the time of animation like 4 seconds or something like that. And then I'm saying that this interactable can trigger the linked actor, and I'm picking this guy, right? And then I do the same with the other guy. So this one is linking this guy, right? And I think that's it. Now, at the moment, basically, as soon as you click on this, the door will slide, right? Now, we need to decide how much it will slide, in which direction it will slide. So we need him to slide on the Y. So I think the Y, I don't know if the Y is considered up, left, or right. That's a good question. I have no idea. In theory, this is left, and this is right. So I think it should be right, but I have no idea, actually. We need to test it. So let's say that we want to slide to the right 2 meters or something like that. So 200 or 250. Maybe 250. 250 or 200. 200, 250. I don't know, whatever. So enough that you will be able to go through, right? Okay, so this in theory should already work. In theory. Okay. So we don't need the old client anymore. 2005. 2005. 2005. Yeah, 2005 is very old. No, 2005 it was still Atomic Blue, I think, the first one. Or maybe 2005 was the second. Maybe it was Molecular Blue. I don't know. We should go to the wiki. You can wiki something. I don't know if they have the releases here. There are not even the releases in this page. I don't know why. So bad. So bad. And anyway, maybe we have it in our wiki. Maybe we have it in our wiki under releases. I don't know. Molecular Blue 2003. Yeah, it was already Molecular Blue. Was already Molecular Blue. I don't know if 2005, maybe it was Crystal Blue. That's possible. Crystal Blue, possible. 2004. Yeah, it was already Crystal Blue, yes. 2004, 2005. Yeah, we have a better release history here than Wikipedia. Better than Wikipedia! My plain achievements. Yes, those are my plain achievements, actually. But now they are Unreal achievements. Okay, let's test this thing and see what it does. Now, the complexity of this will be to associate a script, or to associate, for example, the fact that it's trapped, right? Actually, I can make it trapped right now. So if I take this and I say is trapped, right? is trapped, and I say is trap blocking use yes, and strap strength 50, right? This will basically add, I mean, the need to remove the trap before being able to use it. And at the moment we don't have a specific script that is doing something, but I think in the future we will. The problem is that the script is client side. That's very annoying. I mean, the script is actually I mean, it's not client side, I mean it's server side, but it's part of the map. It's part of the map, so if I want to change the script, at least the script name, I have to release a new update. Okay, let's try. Yeah, I was not prepared for a 20-year anniversary, really. I was not. Otherwise, I would have prepared something, maybe. I don't know. I would have prepared what? I would have prepared. Maybe I would have prepared a small surprise. I don't know. A small surprise. A small surprise. But I didn't. Because I didn't know. Drinking. Yeah, we have all the levels in, so it's loading all the levels. Server side is loading all the levels. GG. So how many of you bet that the wall will slide? How many of you bet that the wall will not slide? And how many of you bet that the slide will be in the right direction? I bet that it will slide, but in the wrong direction. That is what I think. It will actually slide, but in the wrong direction, I think. Because the left is not really the left, I don't know, because maybe the object is rotated. Now, we also need to find that location, though. I think my character was not there, right? So to go to this location, maybe we can go to the location of this light. It seems to be a safe place. Is loading. Is loading. Okay, loaded. We are in the new part of the... Yes. But... let's say teleport... Then I need to put in all these nice numbers. All these nice numbers. Okay. Here we are. It's probably not this way. Is it? Is it down there or no? No. It's not that one. Is this side? Is this side somewhere? Is this side somewhere? Huh? So probably here. Probably here. It's very sneaky, I have to say. It's very, very sneaky. But I think it's good it is sneaky. Because you arrive here and you say, fuck it, it's closed, right? So you will never go, you will never look at left. But if you look, you see that thing, right? Now, if you right click on this one, no, why? I said disable interaction. It's showing up anyway. It's showing up anyway, but doesn't allow you to interact. But the pop-up shows up. Okay, well, that's a bit annoying. But it's okay. It doesn't allow you to move it directly. It requires you to actually interact with the mechanism. By the way, it's too high, but we can move it down a bit. You found a trap. Remove the trap. You didn't manage to remove the trap. Why not? I'm not good at this, huh? We deactivated the trap. Fuck. It's not doing anything. Why? Shit. It's not doing anything. It's like if it's not sensing the linked object or what? It's like if it's not sensing the linked object. Strange. It is very strange. So is the functionality of the linked actors not default? No, it must be default. It must be default. There's no way. The functionality of the linked actor on interactable object, I mean, it must be default. Request toggle, right? Request toggle. It seems stuck, you cannot move it. Maybe I'm too far. But if I'm too far, it should tell. Maybe I'm too far. Because the interaction is actually 2.5 meters, but it should tell me in theory, right? If I'm too far, it should tell me that I'm out of range. Yeah, too far away to interact. But it seems he's not going through this. Let me see if he's telling me. Let me see if he's telling me if I go far away and I... Yeah, too far away to interact. Yes, you see that he's telling me that I'm too far away to interact. So if I go too far, it's actually... So it is going through this code. It is going through this code. So why? So the request toggle is returning true. Yeah, but why the sliding object is not sliding? Do I have the... I think I have the sliding code. That would be bad though. I think I have the sliding code then inside the lever. That would be bad. Linked object. Activate. Activate linked object. Ha! Yes, I have it in the blueprint. Yes, I have it actually in the blueprint. So by default, the code is not doing it. I have to explicitly tell him. And I have to do it by state. Yes. Yeah. This part I need to put it in my... I mean, it's a bit stupid that I have to... There is not... The default implementation is not including already this basic thing. But because in theory, it should have it maybe and you could override it. Right? Like, at the moment, if I want my mechanisms to actually work, I will have to put... I will have to override request toggle. And wait, but request toggle is already overridden here, right? Yes, the request toggle I will have to override. Like lever is doing. Ah no, the do toggle, sorry, the do toggle. The do toggle. Yeah, the do toggle. The do toggle. Because this one is calling the do toggle. And the do toggle, I don't have a default do toggle on interactable actor. Now, if we add a default do toggle that is just activating the other object, is that good enough or not? No, probably not, because then I will not have a... Well, I will not have a replicated state. I will not have a replicated state. Because actually the state is not part of interactable actor. Because it doesn't know how many state he has. Right. So that's why I didn't do it. That's why I didn't do a default. Because this one is... okay. Okay, well, fine. I mean, I think that then maybe we can create... we can create a simple push button, you know? Something like a push button. And there is kind of a base interactable actor. Because this is what it is, right? It's not moving, it's not doing anything. It's just you push it and he activates something. And he activates the linked actor. So, yes, I think we need a push button, actually. I think we need a push button. And the push button will be... Okay, so let me do this. Let me take... Let me take this one that we did now. Okay. I will duplicate it. So it will be identical. We will move it under interactable. So at least he has a mesh. Maybe disable interaction. No. Now, disable interaction is disabling the interaction on the single object. Now it's really that I didn't do that part of the code. I didn't do. I mean, I didn't do you know, a kind of a push button default object that we can derive from. So, but I think it's good to have because I think we will need it in multiple places. Now, in theory, you know, the push button is a sliding object, but in this case, it's not even a push button. In this case, is a static button, because this object doesn't move and doesn't animate. It does nothing. It just plays a sound, you know. So I think I will call it like static interactable static button. Right, so it basically is the most stupid button ever. And this one will be doing nothing else than just calling do toggle and activate the linked objects. I think that's the only thing that this guy will do. And we'll have do we need two states or we need only one state? No, I think we need two states anyway. So interactable static button, I think we just need a cube or something for now, so it's not, you know. It's not important, right? It's not important. This cube is 1 meter, I think, so... But anyway, it's not important, but we'll override it anyway. So what we need to override do toggle. We need to override do toggle. Why is not here? Ah, yes, it's here. Do toggle. Here it is. Here it is. So in the and then we need to add a new variable, which is my ps state, right? And this one will be an integer, and we will go with a 0 1 or 1 2, whatever we want, right? So I think it's the same as the lever, basically. So it starts with 0 and we have a 0 1. Yes, so the do toggle I think is pretty much identical to this. We don't need the is animating. I think we don't care at all. Ah, but there is one problem though. That the linked object will be animating, so if I press it again immediately, no, but I think we tested this already and it was actually working, so I think it's not a problem. I think it's not a problem. I don't need a gate of I don't need a gate. I just need the I don't think I even need the state, actually. Linked object target state. What the fuck is this? Linked object target state. Ah, because I need to pass it to... Okay. Okay. So this one will be replicated on rep notify. This one will be replicated on rep notify. And then on rep notify, we are gonna call something that we will call something that we will call I don't know, activate or something. It's the same. The name doesn't. Activate linked. Activate linked. Okay. And the only thing I think that I need is the I need to save the... I need to save this? No, I'm not saving it at all. Target state must be -1 for simple toggle. GG. Okay. Okay. Target self, huh? Target self. Okay, I think it's enough. Now we need our object. So it is just a stupid button. It's just activating whatever is following. Now the problem is that we need our cave door mechanism now to derive from that one. So we need to change the parent of this guy, which is always a bit scary, but interactable, static button. It seems that it did it. I can delete static mesh 0, and now here I can change my... Okay. So now in theory should have... I don't know why I don't see the variable my state, but probably because it's on the father. And yeah, but I see it, you see, because he's inherited in his own rep. So it's actually correct now. But okay, let's see if now this guy... You know what, I don't want to wait 1 hour. Let me just delete the maps, because I mean it's nice to have all the maps, but because we wanted to do the relight, but then I changed my mind, so then I changed my mind, boys. Let me delete these 3 million maps. We don't need it. We don't need any of this. We only need the caves. Boys, can you believe it's 20 years anniversary today? Wow. It's incredible. It's incredible. Imagine when we will be at the 50 years anniversary. I need to take a note, you know, and say, remember when you are at the 50 to look at the stream number 700 and whatever is today. And when we will be at the 100 year anniversary. Easy 100 year anniversary. Too far away. Yeah, you see that if you... the problem is that if there is a trap, like now there is a trap, right? And when I try to interact, it's not telling me anything, which is very annoying. It's super annoying. I think it should tell me something. Basically what happens is that it's going through this. He's running the script. He's checking. Yeah, he's checking the fact that he's trapped. is activating the trap. Right? And activating the trap is basically doing only the run script. Yes, it's basically only do a run script. Then the result is if the trap can be toggled or not. And if it can be toggled, is actually doing the toggle. But if it cannot be toggled, right? If it cannot be toggled, is not telling us anything, right? It's zero feedback. Is very bad. So so it is tell the player the trap is blocking the usage. Or something is blocking the usage, but... So here I think we need to say something like... initiator... receive system message... and we can say... something is preventing... The problem is how to say generic enough, because if I say something is preventing the mechanism to activate, yeah, I can say something is preventing activation, because it must be generic enough, you know. It can be anything. Okay, so now at least we will get our message when we do that. And so you will see that you did this, but something is not working, right? And so it will tell you something is preventing usage. And so you say, maybe let's search some traps, you know? And here you found a trap and you try to remove the trap. You know, you deactivated the trap and now you finally move this guy. Fuck. It's not enough to go through. Well, it's actually barely enough to go through. Do you think he moved the right way or not? And also, do you think he will reset? In theory, in 60 seconds, it should reset. Because all our traps are working this way. And even if you stand here, which is basically in the middle of the thing, it will push you away. Hopefully it will not push you inside a wall. I mean this direction. Hopefully it will push you in the other direction. In theory, in 60 seconds it should reset if it's correct. What is the year when you hunted crystals? There was Atomic Blue, the first release, I think. It's not resetting. GG. It's not resetting. Or 1 minute didn't pass yet. Or because I'm standing in between, he doesn't want to kill me? Maybe. No, it's not resetting. Do I need to set the reset manually? I don't remember. Maybe I have to. Trap reset time. Trap reset time 60. But he's resetting the... He's resetting this guy and not the linked object. That's very annoying. So this one will stay on forever, eh? Yeah, he's not resetting. He's not resetting the linked object. He's resetting this guy. So now this guy is a trap again. But I think when he's resetting, I think he should also reset the linked object if there is a linked object. No. Otherwise, there is no meaning. Let me see. If I try to activate it again now, it will not allow me, you see, because the trap actually reactivated. But the door didn't close. So I think I need I think I need in the do toggle but the reset should be started automatically, no? There should be a trap reset time. There is a brute force reset time. It's only on the brute force? No, I don't believe it. There is also a trap reset time. Yes, trap reset time, exactly. Who is using this? Someone should be using this. Trap reset time. Trap reset time. Yes, exactly. Disable the trap. Disable the trap. Interactable. Time to reactivate. Exactly. So the time to reactivate. Yes, exactly. Trap reactivate. Okay. So I think that when we are resetting, so inside this class, when we are triggering the trap reactivate, come on. No. I need this trigger, boys. So annoying. So annoying. Okay, here it is. So the only thing that it's doing is removing it from the list of detected traps for this player, and is removing from the list of disabled traps for all players. But it's not retoggling the... Yeah, I think it should. It should retoggle any linked mechanism. Any linked object. As their state should reset. Now, there is only one problem, you know. There is only one problem. The certain objects have multiple states, right? And so I think that the toggle will look kind of weird, for example, for doors that have 3 states. So I think I will have somehow to store the trigger, but at the moment I don't care. I think we can I think we can avoid it. Let me put you fix me. What happens in case of linked objects with 3 states? And also what happens with linked objects that have I don't know. I don't know if this will work everywhere. It works for sure for the ones that have only 2 states, but we have two other types of interactable object. We have final items that here is not really documented, but we have final items like gates. They can actually be linked. They can be linked back to multiple levers. So like you have to trigger 3 levers. You have to toggle 3 levers to actually open one door, right? So in that case, you will toggle. So you have a lever, and then you have a gate. Okay. So you will toggle this one, and this one will go to state 1. Wow. This one also you toggle, and it will go to state 1. This one you will toggle, it goes to state 1. And only when all 3 are actually toggled, the door will open. Okay. So this is how it works now. If you specify linked objects in the gate, so we allow this. Okay, we allow this. Now, if I toggle, so if I say that but in that case we don't have linked objects, huh? In that case we don't have linked objects here. We don't have linked objects here. We link in the final state. Yes, exactly. We link in the final state. So I think it will not break it. It will not break it because the reset is happening here at this level. You know, the reset is happening here. So we will check if there are any linked objects. And in this case we will find none. We will find 0. And so we will not reset anything. Still, this door No, I think we have it. No, I think we have it. I think we have also the linked object here. We have a linked object here, and we have the linked objects here. So this one actually has 3 linked objects. This one is 1, 1, 1. So I will reset this one, and I will send. The problem is that what I will send just an impulse, or I will send the actual state. I think I'm sending just an impulse, but I think it will work. I think it will work. The only problem will be with the object with multiple states. Okay, so I think we don't have the object. Wait a second. We don't have the object? What the fuck? We don't have the object, huh? No, but this is the object. Trap is the target object, and target object is an interactable actor. Now, the fact that I made it... yes, because it can also be a non-interactable. Okay, so we need to reset only in case of interactable. So only if is an interactable. So we need to be sure that this object is exactly. We need to be sure that our trap is an interactable. If it's an interactable, then we retoggle the linked object. So we take our interactable and okay, thank you. We take our interactable and we wait, I can stop it because anyway I can stop it because anyway please, can I have it? Thank you. And we activate linked objects basically. Now the linked state I think would be -1. So we re-trigger that guy and the door will close after some time. 60 seconds. I mean 60 seconds because we said 60 seconds. We can also change it. It's just a parameter. Okay. So I have to recompile. So let's do it. Hello, Dex Zabet. Hi. You came in a very special day. Because today is our 20 years anniversary. Can you believe it? Can you freaking believe it? That's insane, huh? I know. I just discovered it, 1 hour ago. I was not remembering what was the date of the first release. I never celebrated the birthday, if you want, but... Okay, so now two things. The first thing is that when I now use this, I should get the error. Yes. You see? And it's telling me something is preventing activation. Right? Which is exactly what we wanted. By the way, this text is basically unreadable. I should maybe make it a bit better. I mean, I think it's readable based... I mean, if you are on a black background, it probably is readable, but... Right? But... And now I cannot because it's too far away. But the point was that... Yeah, if you're on a black background, you'll see it. But anyway, now, if I search the trap, remove the trap, and now I activate, you see that this guy is moving. By the way, from here it looks pretty much identical, so it's not very visible that something happened. And now if I slide in and I stay here, I'm a bit scared actually. I am actually a bit scared to see what happens. In 60 seconds, the trap should... I don't know if we should play a sound. the longest 60 seconds of my life. Ah, I'm inside. No, it didn't push me through. Well, it didn't. He allowed me to stay in, and then I went through, and now I'm blocked. Okay, anyway, I mean, fine. I mean, it's okay. So it basically now, basically now we reset. I mean, it completely reset. So. Is this torch too strong, by the way? No, it seems a bit too strong. But so now we reset, and the things is closed again, right? And so the only way for me to open it up again is to hack this mechanism, right? Is to hack this one. So but this one is not trapped. Okay, so this one can be opened without any issue. Let me just see if you can also close it. We didn't trap this one, we trapped only the other one. So this one can be used directly. You see that it's working also if you toggle it when it's in the middle. Nothing inside a closed cave? No, there is. In the old game, but also in the new game, there are 2 monsters and a chest with special items. There is. Okay, so basically it works. Now I need to understand if I want to keep the trap here or not. I can also close it if I want, but okay, nice. Good. I think it's good. I think we did it. We did it. We also improved the messages, and so I think I'm happy about it. I'm pretty happy about it. Okay, in terms of lights, in this cave, because in theory we started, we came here for the lights, but then we did something completely different. But I think in terms of light is okay. My character is always a bit too dark compared to the rest, but we know why, and that's okay. And anyway, you will have to run with a torch here. Hello, Fanner. Hey. Welcome. I think the lights are fine. We have a bit of these effects, you know, but it's just the fact that the geometry of those things is very low. I mean, we should improve it, but maybe not now. Uh-oh! Someone died here. What happened? Do you recognize the face or no? There is a noob adventurer, huh? There is a very noob adventurer. Someone died. Okay, I think in terms of light, for now we are okay. Now, I think there are 2 mechanisms in this. I remember another mechanism, right? But the other mechanism is way more complex, because the other mechanism is related to a quest, if I remember right. And so basically there is a script that needs to run, and we need that script. Let Let me see. I think these are the only two mechanisms that we have in the caves, but they are both important. It was you? That's college fun. It's like if he's laughing, you know? It's like if he's laughing at you. Did we check the marketplace this month or no? Is there already a marketplace? Ah, no, because it's the first Thursday. What was it? It's the first Thursday of the month, huh? That is what they told me. Someone told me that. So it's still the... Yeah, it's still the previous month. Yeah, it's still the previous month. So on Thursday, it will change. Fantasy Giant, modular mail with randomization. Very nice. One day we will have models like this, okay? One day. When we will have, oh my god, there's a lot of blood, blah. Or is paint? No, it's paint, okay. When we will have, you know, 2,000 Patreons, I will be able to buy all characters that we want, right? I mean, I will have to commission them, but we will be able to commission everything. So the more Patreon we have, the more we commission. Go, go, go. You already have so many kits you don't use. I'm using the one that we need, and we need the special stuff, you know. We don't need copy-paste stuff. It's impossible to do a game by copy-pasting. It's very hard, at least. So you need a unique stuff, Hula. Okay, there is this cave mech part 01, right? This one is probably the other mechanism that we have in the game, I think. Exactly. This one is inside cave 01, actually. Okay, there is another mechanism with the same logic, right? There is the same logic. So it's basically a giant thing that it moves, right? And this one is in cave 01. Now the problem is that this mechanism as well is something that I need to check how it works, because at the moment I have no idea. Cave 01. Cave 01, Cave 01. I think it's a quest anyway, if I remember right. It's a quest. So is a quest. Yeah, these are all the things that we need to fix just to go back to, you know, the proper because some of these quests really rely on these locations to actually work. Cleaning the polygons is our job in your copy-paste. Yeah, sometimes we copy-paste, but But it's only for the stuff that is generic. If you're speaking characters or monsters, you know, we cannot just copy a monster. It would be so bad. We need unique monsters, you know, that we need unique monsters for us that are designed by our crazy minds. By our crazy minds. Okay, so nice. I'm stuck into this. Okay, let me teleport. This is the old game, huh? That is the old game. Let's go to cave 01. Cannot copy paste in the old game. Cannot copy paste. Cave road, cave 01. Ocean road, cave 01000. Okay. We are falling down like bosses. Can I see myself or no? No, cannot see myself. GG. Nice. He sent me back to the... He sent me back to the entrance. Okay, we are in Ocean Road 01, right? So now, if you look at the map between the old game and new game is basically identical. So, I think we start there. So it's not very far. It's not very far. It's not very far. I just don't know where you are coming from, but you are coming from that direction, I guess. So, it's not very far. So in theory, it's just in front of us. And then down. So if I go here, exactly. Exactly. Now I jump down. Okay. So here is the mechanism. Now this mechanism... This mechanism activated without any problem. Probably because I'm arriving from this side. Probably because I arrived from this side and the other side is free to activate or something. That's possible. GG. It went down and now it disappeared into nothingness. Yeah, that was the problem of the old mechanism system, that if you do it 2 times, it's GG. And also, it was only client side, so... Yeah, it was a bit shit, I know. That was the best we could do with Crystal Space mechanisms. Well, animations. I think probably we could do better, maybe, but we didn't. We could, but we didn't. So if I reconnect, okay, if I reconnect, the mechanism now is, as you can see, the mechanism is still closed. I mean, it's closed again. And now if I try to activate it... Wasn't there a freaking thing here? Why I can't activate it? I mean, I could just activate it like this, or is it because this character is a game master that I can do it? Set me player. Doesn't give a shit. He's doing it anyway. Really? So there was no quest associated. You could just do that. I remember there was a quest associated, but maybe I'm wrong. Let me see if I have any quest. Maybe I tested that already. I don't have any completed quests, so no, I think is Let me just ask this question to some players if they remember, or to Uajet if he knows. Maybe Uajet knows. Hi. Do you remember if this mechanism in Oja Road Cave 01 is just active? I mean, no, without is can be activated without any prerequisites, like no quest or anything. I think I was remembering that there was a thing, but maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe I'm mistaken. Now let me take a picture where we can see also the surrounding a bit. Good. No, I mean, if we... Oh, there is another guy. I think we can just... if it's that simple, we can just split it again and activate it, you know? By the way, is this thing just a normal... Yeah, I think it's a normal cave thingy, so I don't think we even need it, you know? I don't think we even need this anymore. I think we don't even need this anymore, because this one... I mean, assuming that this guy is identical to this guy, and pretty much it is, right? So that I can substitute this guy with this, and it will do the same, you know, the same job. Yes, I think it does perfectly. So, assuming that, and also considering that I have my mechanism already separate, I don't need this piece anymore at all, right? Because we will do the same trick. We will do, unless we want to do a sliding object that is just sliding itself. But I think it's a bad idea, because I think that the mechanism should be in another place, probably. Maybe hidden somewhere, you know. And yeah, exactly. So I think we can have the same, for this location we can have the same thing. So let me save this. So this cave mechanism can actually be deleted completely from the game, unless it's used in multiple places. It's still saying that it's getting used. I don't know why. Oh wow, it's used in multiple places? Yes, it is. There are 2 places where this thing is used. No, but it's another... but it's completely different cave. Okay. He's in a completely different cave. Wait, my only problem is to understand where you are coming from. You are coming from here. So yes, in theory, the first time you approach it, you are coming from this direction, okay? So the problem is where to hide if you want to hide. Where to hide if you want to hide that mechanism. Like if we hide it like here in the darkness, that would be good, huh? It's too far away. Maybe it's too far away. We can hide it here in the darkness. I think we can hide it here in the darkness. It's a bit annoying, I know, but it's too far. Maybe it's too far. Eh? Oh no, it's here. I think it's not too far. I think we can hide it here. I think we can hide it here. So basically here we will put another blueprint. But in this case it's the same one, so very easy. So we'll put this blueprint here. Right? And this will be like a hidden mechanism, right? And I mean, now you know where is it, but I think you will forget. And okay, it's something like that. And now this one will be linked to another actor, which is basically a copy of this, which will be called Cave Sliding Rock. Okay. And Cave Sliding Rock will be made of what? Will be made of cave parts rock 02. Cave parts rock 02. Cave parts rock 02, yes. Okay, so this will be the guy. Now here we will only have a problem in the sliding direction, okay? But no, we say that this thing goes up and down though. Ah, yes. This thing goes up and down, so it's easy. So we can put here our new blueprint, sliding whatever, right? Now, we'll also make the sound, so... Okay, I think it's good. Well, no, it's not. Okay, probably now it's good. And what? And what? And now this will be an interactable direction down. And it will go, I think it needs to go down quite a bit. Huh? It needs to go down probably 3 meters or so, at least. 300, if not 400. It should take like 5 seconds to move down. And let me try 350, but I think it's because I think it's very, very big. This thing is super big. 350 maybe is not even enough. Let me do 4 meters. Let me do 400. Okay, so we will disable interaction on him. And we get time of animation of 5 minutes, 5 seconds. At the moment he's not trapped, there's no script, no anything. And we will have next to this guy, because when you go back, I think it's no problem. You just have the mechanism just next, you know. We don't care about going back. We don't care about making annoying the going back. So I think we can just put it there, and it's okay. And so we just go down. So and now we need to link this guy with this. Easy click, huh? Easy click. And we need to link that guy to this. Wow, the texture on this is really shit. look at the freaking stretch. But anyway. The stretch, boys. The stretch. And what? Maybe if we rotate it, the stretch will not be visible. But it doesn't fit anymore. Fuck. No, I cannot do it. Okay, I will have to export this one and fix the UV. But okay, so basically, this should work already, right? This should work already. So that is in cave 1. That is in cave 1. No. This is the old game. Now the question is, are we gonna put some prerequisites in terms of quest, in terms of something else? Because I think it would be very good if we can execute the script and get an actual result from the script, you know, like a yes/no. I think we need to do that one day. I don't know when, but I think sooner than later. After this release, I guess. We have some floating things, but I have no idea where I am. Zero idea where I am, but we can check with /pause. We are in cave 02. Okay, so we want to go in that location. So let's take the location, I don't know, this pillar, for example. Well, I can go in cave 02. I have a teleport already. Wait, I have a teleport already. No, it was 0-1, not 0-2. Why I'm saying 0-2? There is inside... There is inside 0-1, right? Yes, exactly. Why I'm saying 0-2, boys? Sliding door. Okay. I just moved the items the way they should be, right? Okay, so if we go 0-1... Fun thing I just saw is that Morrowind was made 20 years ago yesterday? Wow. So they have a 1st of May birthday. But they are not an MMO. And we are still here, they are not. No, actually they are with the new games. Okay, so if I go... Wait, where should I go? Wait a second. Where should I go? So coming from the entrance, right? Coming from the entrance. I should go all the way around. Oh my god. Okay, coming from the entrance, I should go this way. I cannot see shit this way. It's not enough light, huh? So this means that you will have a torch. If you have a torch, you will see the thing 100%. If you have a torch, you will see it. I know. Because it's hidden, but it's not that well hidden. Maybe all the great RPG come out in May. Yeah, that's possible. So if you have to make an RPG, I mean, remember to do it in May. That will help you a lot. It's not that easy. It's not that easy to see, actually. I think it's okay. I think it's okay. It's not that easy to see. I mean, I just went through and I didn't see it myself, right? So... obviously, if you stay a lot on this side, you will see it, I guess, but... where the hell is that? It's not here. Fuck. I didn't save or what? It's not here! What the fuck? Oh, it's here. Wow, it's not easy to find at all. It's here. You see? Okay. I didn't hear the sound though. I did not hear the sound. "60 seconds and it will close." Do you want to see me dying? "60 seconds and it will close." Spichik to the roof. Do you think it closes or not? Didn't work, huh? Longest 60 seconds of my life. It's not working? Why is it not working? What did I do different from the other one? Do I need to have the... Ah, because it's not trapped. Ah, fuck. Because it's not trapped. Only trapped are resetting. Ah, this is very bad though. That is very bad. At the moment, only if he's trapped, he resets. Because it's the trap that is resetting. And you know what? I think we can have a reset on the linked object, but okay, so it didn't reset. So this one doesn't reset. So it means that if you open it from the other side, it will never reset. By the way, it's not making any noise. I didn't put the noise. But it's pretty cool, huh? I like it. I like that we can open and close things. But it should absolutely reset. Even if it's not... Wow, I did 4 meters and it's not enough. On this side is not enough. I think I need to do like 6 meters. Well, maybe you can sneak in a bit, but... No, you cannot. So I think 4 meters is not enough. You need to do like 6 or 7 meters. Maybe even 7 meters. Okay, so we have this problem, but we can think about it, huh? We can think about it. We can think about it. So I think we need a way for any mechanism to reset itself, right? No, but by the way, I think it doesn't die. I think it doesn't die. It's just pushing you. It's just pushing you out. The problem is if it's pushing you out from the top. And this means that you will basically be walking outside of the map. That is a kind of a problem. Anyway, we can trap this one so we see the reset. You know, so I can do that. I can do that. Now we are on the wrong side though. Fuck. I cannot go through. I can try to slide myself forward, but if I slide myself forward... I think I can do this trick. Boom, okay. Now we are on this side. Now this thing is actually multiplayer, It's not like in the old game that, you know, it was working only on one client. And this thing is actually properly managed and replicated to all the players. So if you connect... Okay, let's try now. Now it's trapped, so it will reset. I like the real-time job, the torches. It's a shame it's not using as much because you want to lit all the caves. It's probably the best GI around. Yeah, but you can still use it. There are some, like for example, to find our mechanism, you will have to use it because it's very hidden in the shadow. That is what, you know, the new light is allowing us to do. It's allowing us to have... this thing is closed, huh? Cannot interact with this guy. Okay. Oh, there is a mechanism. Look at that. Something is preventing the activation. Maybe it's a trap. Ah, we removed the trap. I didn't put the sound. Fuck. I forgot the sound. Yeah, I think 7 meters is good. Ah, there is a very nice place to be. You know, this is a very nice place to be. On top of this rock. Nothing will happen to me. Because no one is touching the mechanism, you know? And so, I'm not scared about anything that may happen to me. I'm really not scared. There is a nice wind coming through the cave. Everything is good. It's not resetting. Fuck, why is it not resetting? Ah, it's resetting now. Okay. So what it's doing is putting me inside the rock. Which anyway is okay. I mean, because from inside the rock, I cannot really do anything. So I can stay here and just troll people and monsters, you know. But yeah, that could be a good point though. If I stay inside and monsters are outside, I think they will not be able to reach me. And I will be able to kill them with spells. That's not very nice. Yeah, that's a bit exploitable, let's say, at the moment. It's a bit exploitable. But it's okay. Why the sound is only sometimes? Why the sound is only when it's going up? What the fuck? I don't know, it was strange. When he went up, he played a sound, but... Okay, but I'm pretty happy about this, anyway. What is this sound? There is running water. Holy shit. This cave is scary. No. There is a skeleton. People are dying in here. I'm trapped. Okay. Good. I think it's good. I think that's all I wanted to do for today. Actually, none of what I did is what I wanted to do today, but no problem. In the sense that I wanted to work on the lights and finish this thing. Okay. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. We will see each other tomorrow. I really want to push on this release. I'm very happy that we did our 20-year anniversary today. I mean, it could be the 20-year anniversary year instead of day, right? So for all to 2022, we can have, you know, we can have our anniversary for the whole year. Yay! Yay! The Duke 3D squish sound effect. There is Duke in one of the... Did Streamlabs speak? No, I didn't speak, huh? There is one Duke speaking in my redeem, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go, boys. See you tomorrow. If you want to click on follow on Twitch, for example, or if you want to click on subscribe on YouTube. That is free and it's kind of helping me, you know? Or if you want to do one step more, you can go to patreon.com/planeshift and, you know, and help us to grow the game. And you can also get access to the alpha. You can get Patreon perks and, Discord perks, supporter tag, access to the supporters channel, access to the alpha builds of the game, you know? That's pretty cool. You can do it. If not, don't worry. It's okay. Okay, see you boys tomorrow. See you boys tomorrow. Bye. Bye. My tongue came out. My tongue came out. Bye.